Okay, she's now flirting with Ubab Semiti. I think the hunger is now inside Pagati Endlini. Umamsi now is having a delicious conversation with Ubab Semiti, and I wonder where this all's gonna go to, or is it going to open your house? Let me come in. Angazi, kodwa ke, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanbadan abshene molweni minjani. Hipukile hingengwina. So namutlaka nongwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kuri. Minky and Mdala and Munyuza are in a triangle. So Minky tried to convince Umunyuza ukuthi no, you know what, tlhoge nna ke thabela monaka ka nkreya wang abuser monaka ntshware sharp, so that's why ke lemo ke kopa ska bolela batho. And then ibe re no mapodisa ne a tlile mo to check if you are here. So I told them I didn't know your whereabouts. So I okay, no, it's fine. Please tell them. On the same time, when she gets to the house, she tells Akit, the boyfriend, to say we need to shoot a video. And then I shoot that video. If you don't send this money, baby, this person is gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I need you to do this now. Send out that video so that send out that video so that this hotel manager can get out of my bag. So now Tinzwalo saw the video and she was like, but this looks like she's not scared of the person that she's with. She's not scared of the husband than the person that she's with. So ngatinje Tinzwalo has been right all the time. And just somebody like Klohi just needs to listen to her because it's most likely to go haywire. But on the other hand, umdala emphasize ukuthi Klohi, you know ukuthi asimazi lo muntu angisho, and which Klohi told Tintswalo, I had to lie to my husband because I did not want him to be part of this. But Toto is happy that the mother is back, but he has to incur the penalties or the cost of the mother trying to move out because he says he is going to pay rental for Umamsi. And I'm asking myself, uhola malini ke loyo? On some more interesting news, Lehle have a good conversation with the mother. The mother was telling her, in fact, somebody came in to drop and then she said that their mother said, we missed Umamaga Lihle for a all-night prayer. So Lihle put 2 and 2 together and it was giving 67,000. And she said, oh my goodness, Mom, you did not go to the all-night prayer. Where were you? Okay, hold on. Utolumund. And the mother said, yes, I have. And please do not judge me. Umtunze mayeza. Then I could just see how shattered Ulihle was when she realized, okay, not only did the mother find love, but she found love in the wrong places. Well, I don't know how it's gonna sit, but we did not get to see Guti. But then on the other hand, again, uTintswalo emphasize indaba yokuthi yabona le eyakho ngibona ngathi angeke iziphele kahle because you lied to the police telling Tlhogi, you lied to your husband, you lied as well to Ubanlo, the guy at the hotel. So I don't think this is going to go well for you. At some point you need to come up with the truth, and I don't know if the truth is what is going to help Uminki. Anyway, Umavutela decided that she was going to take the offer that Dintle gave and told Untloso that Untloso, I'm raising your money from 11 to 40k. So he's going to get 40k that is sponsored by the wife, and I don't know how she's going to feel when she gets this. And then the video is circulating, but I'm just waiting for it to get to the hands of Tlhogi. Yo, ngek.